Now, question number 2. Solve the following equations. A. 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. Here you can see in LHS 2 is multiplied by x plus 4. First of all, we are shifting 2 from LHS to RHS. Here it is multiplied. When it goes to RHS, it will divide. So x plus 4 is what? 12 by 2. We are dividing. 12 by 2 is what? 6. So x plus 4 is 6. Now we are shifting 4 from LHS to RHS. Here it is added. When we shift this 4 from LHS to RHS, it will subtract. So value of x is what? 6 minus 4, which is 2. Our aim is finding the value of variable. So x is what? 2. Now question C. 3 into n minus 5 is equivalent as minus 21. Same method only. Here 3 is multiplied by n minus 5 in LHS. First of all, we are shifting 3 from LHS to RHS. Here it is multiplied. When we shift it to RHS, it will divide. So n minus 5 is what? Minus 21 by 3. Minus 21 by 3 is what? Minus 7. So n minus 5 is minus 7. Now we are shifting minus 5 from LHS to RHS. Minus 5, when it goes from LHS to RHS, it will add. Minus 5 will change into plus 5. So n is what, children? Minus 7 plus minus 7 plus 5. You know, minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2. So value of n is minus 2. So now next D. Minus 4 into 2 plus x is equal to 8. Same type of question only. Here minus 4 is multiplied with the 2 plus x in LHS. We are sending this minus 4 to LHS to RHS. Here it is multiplied. When it goes to RHS, it will divide. So 2 plus x is already in LHS. 8 divided by 4 because we brought minus 4. 8 divided by minus 4 because we brought minus 4 from LHS to RHS, or division we are doing. So 2 plus x is what? Minus 2. You know, 8 by minus 4 is minus 2. Now our aim is that shifting 2 from LHS to RHS because we need the variable alone. Okay. So it is plus 2. Even though it is written in first, it is plus 2 only. Okay. That 2, when we shift from LHS to RHS, it will minus. Okay. That means RHS is minus 2, minus 2. This 2 was brought from LHS to RHS. So value of x is what? Minus 4. Minus 2 is minus 4. B and E you do as homework. Question number 3. Solve the following equations. Okay. Same type of questions only, somewhat difference is there. A is equal to A. 4 is equal to 5 into P minus 2. In RHS 5 is multiplied. We are taking this 5 from RHS to LHS, so it will divide. So you see LHS has become 4 by 5 because 5 is, we have divided 4 by 5 is equal to P minus 2. Now this minus 2 we are taking from RHS to LHS. So it will, when it goes to LHS, it will add. Instead of subtraction, it will add. 4 by 5 plus 2 by 1. 2 we can write as 2 by 1. Here is equal to P. Here you see they are unlike fractions. We have to make them like fraction. That means make the denominator same by taking LCM. 5 on 1's LCM is 5. First number is as it is only because denominator is 5. Now second number, second fraction. You see 5 divided by 1 is 5. 5 into 2 is 10. So you are getting 10 upon 5. You have learned this in 6th standard. How to add unlike fractions. Okay. By taking LCM. 4 plus 10 is 14. So 14 by 5 is the value of P. That means P is equal to 14 by 5. Now see, 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 into T plus 2. Here 4 is in RHS. That is added. First of all, we are taking that 4 from RHS to LHS. So it will subtract. Okay. So LHS has become 16 minus 4. RHS has become 3 into T plus 2. They are equated. Now this 3 is multiplied in RHS. We are taking this 3 from RHS to LHS. So it will become what? Divide. So you can write 12 is equal to 3 into T plus 2. This 3 is taken from RHS to LHS. So it will divide. So 12 by 3 is equal to T plus 2. T plus 2 only remaining. 3 has gone to LHS. Here it is multiplied. When it is gone to LHS, it is dividing. 12 by 3 is what? 12 by 3 is what? 4. Okay, that we know. So again we can write 12 by 3 minus 2. This RHS part plus 2 is there. That is taken from RHS to LHS. So minus 2 is equal to T. Now 12 by 3 is what? 4. 4 minus 2 is T. That means value of T is what? 2. Okay. Now we will continue question number 3. of exercise 4.3. Okay. So D, 4 plus 5 into P minus 1 is equal to 34. So here 4 is added in LHS. That 4 we are taking from LHS to RHS, so it will subtract. So what is remaining in LHS? 5 into P minus 1, which is equivalent as 34 minus 4. Remember, minus 4, how it came? Plus 4 taken from LHS to RHS. So 5 into P minus 1 is what? 30. 34 minus 4 is 30. Now 5 is multiplied in LHS. That 5 is taken from LHS to RHS. So it will divide. So what is remaining in LHS? P minus 1. 5 we are taken from LHS to RHS, so it will divide. Here in LHS it is multiplied, RHS we are dividing. So P minus 1 is what? 630 by 5 is 6. Now minus 1 is taken from LHS to RHS. So it will add. Okay, so P is alone. Now P, we got the value of P. 6 plus 1, which is 7. Okay. Now E, 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 into M minus 6. 0 is in LHS, 16 plus 4 into M minus 6 is in RHS. You can see the 16 is added here. I am taking this 16 from RHS to LHS. So it will become minus 16. Already 0 is there. So 0 minus 16 is in LHS. What is remaining in RHS? 4 into M minus 6. Now 0 minus 16 is minus 16 only. Is equal to 4 into M minus 6. So we can write minus 16 divided by 4 is M minus 6. We have taken this 4 also from RHS to LHS. In RHS it is multiplied. When we have brought that from RHS to LHS, it is dividing in LHS. Minus 16 by 4 is what? Minus 4. So minus 4 is what? M minus 6. Now what we are doing this minus 6? We are taking from RHS to LHS. So it will become what? Plus 6 in LHS. So minus 4 plus 6 in LHS and RHS M alone. Minus 4 plus 6 is what? 2. 2 is the value of M. That means M is equal to 2. Now B you can do as homework. Now question number 4. A. Construct 3 equations starting with x is equal to 2. We have to form 3 equations. But starting is what? X is equal to 2. If you do anything, any operation in LHS and RHS, that means in both the sides. On both the sides, the value of equation is not changing. So we are going to form 3 equations. Okay. So multiplying both the sides by 5. That means x is multiplied by 5 and 2 is also multiplied by 5. X into 5 is what? 5x. 2 into 5 is what? 10. So we got one more equation, that is 5x is equal to 10. Now this equation, another equation I am forming. Okay, we started with the x is equal to 2. Now what I am doing? Adding 2 to both the sides. So 5x will become what? 5x plus 2. Okay, this 10 will become 10 plus 2. So we got another equation. 5x plus 2 is equal to 12. Okay, now we are subtracting 4 from both the sides. So what will be LHS? 5x plus 2 minus 4. What will be our RHS? 12 minus 4. 5x plus 2 minus 4 is minus 2. That means LHS is 5x minus 2 and RHS is 12 minus 4, which is 8. So the equations formed are, 3 equations we formed. The equations formed are what? 5x is equal to 10, 5x plus 2 is equal to 12, 5x minus 2 is equal to 8. We have started from x is equal to 2. This, if you solve here also, value of x will be 2 only. Okay. We have constructed 3 more equations. Same way, B, construct 3 equations starting with x is equal to minus 2. We have to start from x is equal to minus 2. Here what you know that LHS and RHS, if we do any operation, both the sides same number, if we add, subtract, divide, multiply, value of equation is not changing. Okay, what we are going to do? Divide both the sides by 2. So our LHS become what? X by 2. And our RHS will become minus 2 by 2. Okay, x by 2 minus 2 by 2 is what? Minus 1. So we got one equation, which is x by 2 is equal to minus 1. Now what we are doing? Multiplying both sides by 5. So 5 into x by 2. X by 2 is LHS, that is multiplied by 5. RHS is minus 1, that is also multiplied by 5. Same number we have to multiply. Okay, so what is the LHS? 5x by 2. What is our RHS? Minus 5. So another equation we got, which is 5x by 2 is equal to minus 5. Okay. Now what we are doing? Subtract 6 from both the sides. I am going to subtract. So LHS will become what? 5x by 2 minus 6. What will be our RHS? Minus 5 minus 6. So our LHS is 5 by 2x. minus 6 and our RHS is minus 11 because minus 5 minus 6 is minus 11. So we found the three equations. We have started from x is equal to minus 2. What are the three equations? X by 2 is equal to minus 1, 5x by 2 is equal to minus 5, and another one is what? 5x by 2 or 5 by 2x minus 6 is equal to minus 11. If you solve these equations everywhere, you will get the value of x as minus 2 only.